Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to answer a limit question from calculus. Now this is in calculus A, B, BC and is in many other calculus courses you may do. So on the board I have an example of a limit question. The limit as x approaches 4 of x squared minus 6x plus 8 divided by x minus 4. So for this question we are trying to find as what number y approaches as x approaches 4. Now at the point x equals 4, this does not have a value, as on the bottom of the fraction if we put 4 in we'll get 0 and we cannot divide by 0. What we do for a question like this is factorize the top, then we'll be able to simplify the expression and we'll be able to find a point which this approaches at x equals 4. So we're going to factorize the top. We have x squared minus 6x plus 8. So we're looking for numbers which times together to make positive 8 and add together to make minus 6. Now those numbers are minus 4 and minus 2. So let's do that now. Now as you see we have the same term on the top as we do on the bottom of the fraction, which means we can cancel these out, which will give us 1, which just leaves us with x minus 2. Now we simply substitute 4 into this to get our value. So as x approaches 4, y will approach 2. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.